This new X Series was designed to be an outlier in the best way. We didn't want it to conform to what the industry expects. My name's Brendan Harris, and I'm the product marketing manager here at MasterCraft Boat Company. I grew up on my family's MasterCraft, and from a young age, I realized that my end goal was to work for MasterCraft. So I ended up going to school to study innovation and decided right after college I wanted to pursue a career in boat building. MasterCraft as a brand has always stood for crafting the ultimate in on-water experience. And where I see that headed is an increase in intentional detail. Your transom board storage, your frameless windshield, your observer's display, your bow anchor. Our design team is top tier, and they're able to craft really intentional details into certain areas of the boat.
My name is Nathan Miklo, and I'm the industrial designer here at MasterCraft. My art teacher actually one day just was showing me what I could do with that program, and I pursued a career in that. Went to school, reached out to MasterCraft, got an internship, and never looked back. I think one of the first things we ask ourselves is, what does this consumer need out of the product? One of the features I'm really proud of that we're able to incorporate is the sculpted alcoves, where the armrest is perfectly placed and the observer remote is right at the user's fingertips. It's just an overall experience. They don't even have to think where their armrest is or where they're going to place things when they get into the boat. When you finally get the product into the family's hands and seeing what they're going to experience and how they interact with it for the first time is one of the most rewarding parts.
To me, HandCrafted means passion. Everybody from our office staff to our floor workers are passionate about either the product or what they do. When you open up the hatches on a MasterCraft and pull back the layers, you're going to see passion and craftsmanship, as well as passion for design and operational excellence.
Handcrafted to me means every detail is intentional, and our product is a representation of that.